And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Three-time world 100 meters champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, along with 2016 national sprint hurdles champion Megan Tapper and national shot put record holder O'Dane Richards, were the Jamaican winners at the City of Padova International Athletics meeting in Italy on Tuesday. Fraser-Pryce clocked 11 seconds flat to win the event ahead of compatriot John Smith, who was third in 11.35. Tapper sped to a meet record 12.66 seconds to land the women's 100-meter hurdles, ahead of Tiffany McReynolds of the United States with 12.72 and Pedrea Seymour of the Bahamas 12.78. Nathan Allen, 45.57, was joined third overall with Trinidad and Tobago's Mashal Cedenio in the men's 400 meters, which was won by Nigerian Emmanuel Bamidele in 44.78 seconds. Nigel Ellis, 10.28, was ninth overall in the men's 100 meters. Jahil Hyde, 51.31, and Malik James King, 51.36 seconds, were sixth and seventh respectively in the men's 400 meters hurdles. The event was won by American Brian Robinson in 49.14 seconds. In the field, 2015 world shot put bronze medalist O'Dane Richards won the event with 20.43 meters, ahead of Russian MAKSIM AFONIN with 20.41 meters.